So here's a question you've probably bumped into without even noticing. Why does artificial intelligence sometimes tell you things with total confidence that turn out to be completely made up? Not a typo, not a small mistake. A whole fake fact, delivered just as smoothly as a true one. People call it an AI, hallucination. And today, I want to show you exactly why it happens, because once you see it, you will never quite trust that confident little chatbot in the same way again. I'm Mr. Y. Let's figure it out together. First, we have to clear up the single biggest misunderstanding about how these AI chatbots work, because almost everyone pictures the same wrong thing. We imagine the AI as a kind of super-librarian. You ask a question, and it hurries off into a giant library of facts, finds the exact right book, and reads you back the true answer. That feels right, doesn't it? It's the way we'd want it to work. But that is not what's happening. Not even close. And once you understand what it's really doing instead, the made-up answers suddenly make perfect sense. Here is what's actually going on, and it's stranger than you'd think. A chatbot like this is, at its heart, a fantastically powerful guessing machine. Its one and only job is to look at all the words so far and predict the next word. That's it. You type "the sky is," and it asks itself, based on the mountain of writing I've learned from, what word most likely comes next? And it answers, blue. Then it does it again, and again, one word at a time, building a sentence the way you might lay down a row of dominoes. It is, more or less, the world's most advanced version of the autocomplete on your phone. One scientist who studies this calls it autocomplete on steroids. Now sit with that for a second, because this is the whole secret. The machine is not trying to tell you the truth. It was never built to. It is trying to produce the most likely, most natural-sounding next word. And here is the trap hidden inside that. A sentence that sounds right and a sentence that is right are not the same thing. Most of the time they happen to line up. The true answer is also the natural-sounding one, so you get a correct reply and everybody's happy. But sometimes they come apart. And when they do, the machine will reach for the words that sound right every single time. It has no little voice inside whispering, wait, is this actually true? There simply is no fact-checker in there. There is only a what sounds good next machine. So let me give you the one picture that makes all of this click. Imagine a student sitting an exam. A bright, eager student, but one who has decided deep down that the worst thing they could possibly do is leave an answer blank. Every question must get a confident answer, even the ones they don't know. So when they hit a question they have no clue about, do they write, "I'm not sure"? Never. They write down the most plausible, most confident-sounding guess they can invent, and they write it in the exact same neat, certain handwriting as all the answers they actually know. That student is the AI. And the reason it behaves this way is almost painfully human. It was graded into it. The researchers who build these systems showed something remarkable. When the AI is trained and tested, a confident guess that happens to be right scores full marks, but honestly saying, I don't know, scores a flat 0, exactly the same as being wrong. So the machine learned the obvious lesson. Never admit you don't know. Always guess. And guess with confidence. And that confidence, that is the dangerous part. Because when a person is unsure, you can usually hear it. They hesitate, they hedge, they say, I think. The AI does none of that. It hands you a beautiful, fluent, perfectly spelled paragraph, whether it's telling you the honest truth or something it invented half a second ago. The made-up answer and the real answer wear the exact same confident costume. Now, you might be thinking, okay, Mr. Why, but does this really matter out in the real world? Oh, it does. Let me tell you about a lawyer. In 2023, a New York attorney named Stephen Schwartz used one of these chatbots to help him write a legal document. He asked it for relevant past court cases, and it gave him some names, quotes, official-looking citations, the whole package. There was just one problem. 6 of those cases did not exist. The AI had invented them. Made up the names, made up the rulings, made up the quotes, all in flawless, confident, legal language. He trusted it. He handed those cases to a real court, and a judge fined him and his firm $5,000. The lawyer later admitted he had thought the chatbot was basically a super search engine. He didn't realize it was a guessing machine. And it isn't just lawyers. An airline once had a customer service chatbot that confidently told a grieving passenger he could claim a special discount after booking his flight, except that policy wasn't real. The chatbot had made it up. The man followed the advice, lost the money, and took the airline to a tribunal, and the airline was ordered to pay him back. The bot sounded helpful. The bot was wrong. Same costume, remember? The truth and the made-up thing came out sounding exactly as sure of themselves. So how often does this actually happen? And here is where I have to be honest with you, because the honest answer is, it depends entirely on the job you give it. When you hand the AI a document and simply ask it to summarize what's right there in front of it, the very best systems today only slip up around 1 to 3 times in 100. Not bad. But when you ask it open questions about the big, wide world facts, history, who said what, and when, the made-up answers get far, far more common. And nobody should promise you this is about to be perfectly fixed. Because it isn't a simple bug to swat. It comes straight out of what the machine fundamentally is. A thing that predicts likely sounding words, not a thing that knows true facts. So, let's bring it home. Why does AI make stuff up and not even know that it's doing it? Because it was never a librarian fetching true facts off a shelf. It's a brilliant guessing machine, trained to always sound confident, with no inner voice to tell it when it's wrong. It doesn't lie to you. Lying would mean it knows the truth, and is hiding it. It simply has no idea which of its lovely, confident sentences are true, and which ones it just dreamed up a moment ago. And that's why the smartest thing you can do with any answer an AI gives you is to treat it like that ego student's exam paper. Impressive, often right, but always worth checking before you believe it. If you like having the confusing stuff made simple, subscribe. There are a lot more little mysteries where this came from. And I'll see you in the next one. I'm Mr. Y.